Welcome to WorldKey, your gateway to the world's most mesmerizing destinations. In this episode, we take you on an 8-day cultural and historical adventure through Cambodia, a land of ancient temples, resilient people, vibrant cities, and untouched landscapes. Whether you seek spiritual heritage, bustling street life, or hidden gems, Cambodia offers it all. The best time to visit Cambodia is from November to March, the cool, dry season. You'll enjoy pleasant weather perfect for exploring temples and countryside. April and May can be hot and humid, while the rainy season, June to October, brings fewer tourists and lush green landscapes. Most travelers can obtain a visa on arrival or apply for an e-visa before departure. A tourist visa allows a 30-day stay and can be extended once. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your arrival and carry proof of accommodation and return travel. Cambodia is easy to explore with tuk-tuks, taxis, and affordable long-distance buses. In cities like Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, tuk-tuks are the best way to get around. For longer journeys, consider private cars or domestic flights to Sihanoukville or Battambang. Cambodian cuisine is a rich fusion of flavor and history. Be sure to try a mak tray, a creamy fish curry steamed in banana leaves, and consider the national dish. For something hearty, taste beef lok lak, served with rice, pepper lime sauce, and fresh vegetables. Explore local markets for nam bon chak, a beloved Khmer rice noodle breakfast with green curry sauce. If you're feeling adventurous, sample fried crickets or tarantulas, a crunchy street food favored in Cambodia. And don't miss by sach krauk, marinated grilled pork with broken rice, often served with pickled vegetables and broth. Welcome to Cambodia. Settle into Siem Reap and explore the old market, pub street, and enjoy a traditional Apsara dance dinner show. Then explore Bayon Temple, famous for its smiling faces, and Ta Prohm, where tree roots twist through ancient stone. Hire a guide for deeper insights. Take a boat tour of Tunnel Sap Lake, visiting floating villages. In the afternoon, bike through the countryside, visit a local farm, and experience village life. Travel by bus or private transfer to Phnom Penh, Cambodia's capital. In the evening, stroll along the riverside promenade and dine at a local Cambodian fusion restaurant. The area around Wat Phnom and the northern part of Phnom Penh is generally considered the city's downtown area. This area is characterized by colonial architecture, upscale dining, and is within walking distance of the Royal Palace, Central Market, and Independence Monument. The brown temple in Cambodia that is often associated with a reddish-brown hue, particularly in the rising or setting sun, is Banteay Sray. It is located about 30 minutes from Angkor Wat and is known for its intricate carvings that appear reddish-brown when the light hits them just right. Visit the Royal Palace and Silver Pagoda. Then, take a sobering yet vital visit to the killing fields of Choang Ek and the Tol Slang Genocide Museum, learning about Cambodia's tragic history under the Khmer Rouge. The National Museum of Cambodia is Cambodia's largest museum of cultural history and is the country's leading historical and archaeological museum. The museum buildings, inspired by Khmer temple architecture, were constructed between 1917 and 1924. The museum was officially inaugurated in 1920, and it was renovated in 1968. The museum promotes awareness, understanding, and appreciation of Cambodia's culture and heritage, aiming to educate and inspire its visitors. Choose between a tranquil day in Kampot, famous for its pepper farms and river cruises, or a beach escape to Sihanoukville and nearby islands. Cambodia may be famous for temples, but its southern coast offers some truly idyllic beaches. Visit Otters Beach and Serendipity Beach in Sihanoukville for lively shorelines and beach bars. For serenity, take a ferry to Koh Rong, an island paradise with white sand and turquoise waters. Looking for something more off the beaten path? Koh Rong Samloem offers tranquil escapes with eco-resorts and coral reef snorkeling. Don't miss Lazy Beach or Saracen Bay, perfect for a digital detox under swaying palms. Return to Phnom Penh or Siem Reap for your flight. Spend your final hours enjoying Khmer coffee, shopping for handicrafts, and reflecting on your journey. Bring light, breathable clothing, a scarf or shawl for temple visits, good walking shoes, and insect repellent. A reusable water bottle, sunscreen, power adapter, Type A, C, G, and travel insurance are also must-haves. Greet with a slight bow and palms together, the Sampia. Dress modestly at temples, cover shoulders and knees. Remove shoes when entering homes or sacred sites. Avoid touching heads, and be mindful of conversations about politics or religion. But keep an eye on your belongings in busy areas. Use only registered taxis or tuk-tuks. Drink bottled water, and beware of travel scams. Learn basic Khmer phrases, it shows respect and opens doors. Cambodia has a tropical monsoon climate with two distinct seasons, the dry season and the wet season. The dry season runs from November to early May, split into a cooler period, November-February, with average highs around 28 degrees Celsius (82 degrees Fahrenheit). The wet season lasts from June to October, bringing afternoon downpours and lush green landscapes. The national flag of Cambodia, or the Khmer national flag in its present form, was originally adopted in 1948 and readopted in 1993, after the Constituent Assembly election in 1993 and restoration of the Cambodian monarchy. From majestic temples to heartfelt hospitality, Cambodia leaves an imprint on your soul. Thank you for exploring with WorldKey. Don't forget to subscribe for more immersive travel guides and unlock the magic of every destination.